Hi, this is Dan with Team Intangible, and in today's video, we're going to dive into everything insights. In the last few videos, we've dove into the intangible assessment, what it is, and your clutch factor score, and how to use it and what does it mean. And this really is to answer the question of what is that invisible factor that allows players to excel while another crumbles under pressure. And that's been the core problem that's vaulted against sports over the last however many years. And this is exactly where Intangible's new tool comes into play. So let's get into it. Insights is our back-end platform that is designed to be the tool of the brains of our operation for assessing, coaching, and training athletes to absolutely own these high stakes scenarios that we were just talking about. So, how does it all work? Well, it starts by scoring a player's assessments. And from that, it generates your clutch factor score. And based on that number, it spits out two key things: a set of personalized drills for the player and a game plan of actionable suggestions for the coach. And that is the secret sauce. Okay, so you know that there's got to be some serious tech behind this. So let's pop under the hood and see what's driving insights. The engine behind it all is called a proprietary large language model, or an LLM. Now you can think of that AI as something like ChatGPT, but instead of knowing everything on the internet, this one has been specifically trained on one thing: the psychology of human performance. But here's the thing, it's not just a robot. This is what's really cool. The whole system was built by our team of world class psychologists from sports to the military and high stakes industrial industries. We're talking about people who live and breathe performance under pressure. All of their human expertise is literally baked right into our algorithm. Okay, that's the tech. But what does this actually mean for the people on the field and on the sidelines? Let's break it down for both the player and the coach. What's so smart about this is that it creates an amazing feedback loop. The player gets these super personalized mental drills, things just tailored for them. And at the same time, the coach gets a whole toolkit to support them, from drills to run in practice to even tips on the best way to talk to that specific player. They're designed to work together. So for the player, this is huge. You're not just getting generic advice, you're getting a specific targeted plan based on your unique profile. It's a roadmap to building real measurable mental toughness. And for the coach, it's like getting suddenly a new pair of glasses. You get to see a side of your players you might have missed. This data gives you insights that go way beyond the X's and O's, helping you coach the entire person, not just the athlete. And the advice it gives the coaches is really smart. It follows this logical path by starting with the what drills to run, and then it moves to the how to talk to your player to get the most out of them, and then finally the why. It gives you the psychological context so you understand what your player is working on. It connects everything. So when you put all of this together, you have to ask, what does this technology mean for the very art and science of coaching itself? And this is the really important point. The idea here is to not replace a coach's gut feeling or their years of experience. It is meant to be a co pilot. It's a guide that provides objective data to help inform a coach's decision and not make them solely for them. The human connection is still king. And at the end of the day, it comes down to sparking better conversations and making practices more effective. It's about using data to make the human side of coaching even stronger, helping coaches know exactly what to say and what to do to bring out the best in their players' mental game. That's it for this video, and in our next video, we're going to dive into the intelligence report.